शुरू
शुरू सर जी।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम Anyan Hasio. It's a great opportunity for me to be with you introducing Bangladesh in this KOTRA infrastructure roadshow. I still remember the last year, probably around the same time, I was in your country. I think it's Busan at that time. So this time, because of the COVID situation, unfortunately, yes, unfortunately, we are here. We may not see each other and have more discussion, but let me try. I mean, uh, negotiating with the present situation, how I would like to, how could I, let's see, how could we present our projects to you. But in any case, feel free to contact us through KOTRA or directly, and then we will, try to, let you know more and in detail. So my name is Riaz Ahmad Jaber. I work as an additional chief engineer in the Roads and Highways department, which is under Road Transport and Highway Division under the Ministry of Road Transport and Bridges. So let me, let me go into the slideshow mode. All right. So about the country Bangladesh, although you may know the land area is 147,000 square kilometer and we have around 166.3 million population. One of the highest density of population in this world is about 1127 square people per square kilometer. And from the map, as we show in the left side, you understand the location of this country. Okay, it's a green. We have a number of tourist attractions. Already, you may know. Our this is a bit socio-economic data, some basic data about Bangladesh. Probably know. Anyway, I don't want to spend too much of time on it. So I guess you are interested about the status of infrastructure in Bangladesh. So this is one of our road we recently built. We are trying to maintain quality-wise like this or even more. This one doesn't show, any service road alongside, but we have service roads. This is the the structure of our road administration procedure. So as you see in the on our left, we the Roads and Highways department is, and we look after the national highway, regional highway, and Jilla highways. And if you have time, you can you can see all those in our website. We maintain 3,906 kilometer of national highway. Regional highway is about 4,700, and the Jilla road is 13,000. All together, we maintain around 22,000 of roads. You can see in graphics the road network, and it is coverage percentage wise. We have 4,500 bridges and more than 13,000, about 14,000 culverts in our asset. So far, we have developed number of policy act and policies related to our road management. So those are the Highway Act, Accelerated, definitely your case. axle load control station operation, road maintenance and fund board, toll policy, land management policy, road transport act, etc., etc. Normally, compared to other mode of transport, road dominates the freight transportation higher than any other, transport mode. So, and this is as you can see from here, this is ever increasing. Same goes for the road dominant passenger share as well. Um, these are the basic data. I mean, you can have an idea, and again, it also shows that it is ever increasing every year. In our seventh five-year plan, which spans from 2016 to 2020, uh, we are now trying to make a balance of 3R: rail, road, and river mode of transport multimodal infrastructure system, um, and prioritizing the regional transport connectivity, develop middle income and level quality infrastructure with high speed mobility facilities. Target should be 80 to 110 kilometer per hour, and gradually we are developing the interchange structures, construction of interchange facilities besides highway widening on major junctions. Improved road safety situations is also a concern for us, and reducing maintenance frequency by adopting concrete pavement. Number of material options we have to look into to address overloading. The implementation of axle load control system is also we are trying to implement, and as you have done already, we are also trying to develop climate resilient infrastructures. Our regional, our roads are a part of our regional connectivity corridor. Uh, as you know, the country Bangladesh is surrounded mostly by India. Only at the east, southeast part, Myanmar is connected. So these are the regional connectivities: Asian Highway, SARC Highway, SASEC Highway, BIMSTEC Corridor, BCIM Corridor. So we have a total about 2,777 kilometer of roads are part of these regional connectivity corridors. So Bangladesh passes three Asian Highway route: Asian Highway 1, 2, and 41. Total length of this Asian Highway road in Bangladesh is about 1,765 kilometers. All those are shown in the map highlighting colors. Annual budget for roads and highways department is shown here. In the blue is the total budget, and that comprises with the development budget and maintenance budget. And as you see, it is also every year it is increasing. We have more long ways to go. Major ongoing foreign aided projects, let's talk about that one. We have a multilateral and bilateral development partners working with us. These are some of them. KOTRA, from your country, is also very active here. JICA, Saudi Fund, ADB, DFID, World Bank, AIIB. So those are working with us. These are a list of some ongoing foreign aided projects. If you are interested, you can read those out. But those, as you could see, those are funded by JICA, ADB, and you can see the project scope. Individually, so this is about the Kachpur, Meghna, and Gumuti three bridge project funded by the JICA, constructed. It's about almost finished by Japanese firm called Obayashi Corporation. Project cost was 1.06 billion US dollar, and SASEC 1 is another important corridor we are trying to develop from place called near, I mean, it's just beside the Dhaka city, Joydepur to Elenga, and there were, I mean, like typical case, I mean, road improvement and components like 70 kilometers of road, 53 bridges at 26 locations, flyover in 9 locations, box culverts, and some of the 13 road crossing channels, underpasses, footbridges, that all those things were there. Sussex 2 is another ongoing, I mean, ADB funded projects. It's about $1.2 billion project, and that also continues. I mean, it starts from the end of the Sussex one, place called Elenga, and then it goes to northern part of Bangladesh, Rangpur, close to Indian border. So, so that's the situation for this one. As usual, major components are flyovers at 3 locations, underpasses at 39 locations, 26 bridges, and improvement of 190 kilometers of road. Cross-border infrastructure development project, another JICA funded projects. In this project, there are a number of bridges, and one of the major bridges called Kalna is 680-meter. Again, Japanese construction companies are implementing those. Greater Dhaka Sustainable Urban Transport Project is near Dhaka. It is actually a bus rapid transit development project, first of its kind in Bangladesh, and it starts from place called Gazipur to airport. Actually, from airport to going further north, that is the corridor we have started to develop, and after successful completion of this one, looking into the success of these project, we have a plan to construct more. Let us see how it works. Western Bangladesh Bridge Improvement Project is another JICA funded project. Total number of 61 bridges are under this project. Construction work is going on. Um, Matarbari Port Access Road is another I mean, greenfield development. Actually, Matarbari is an island where, with Japanese JICA fund, we are trying to develop a number of cool coal, coal center, developing a coal center, and number of power plants. So, alongside the power plants, the whole I mean, island is now we are planning to develop as a industrial city. So to connect, since it is an island, as I said, I mean, it is connected with a national highway. So connection between the national highway and this port is the project we are talking about, Matarbadi Port Access Road. Project cost is $82 million Road network condition, if we look into it, if we try to look into it, we see that we have near about 50% good kind of road, 26% is fair, and 12% poor, and I mean 5.84. I mean, is not that good anyway. Bad quality road. And the remaining 5 near about 6% also very bad. So we need to move construct further for this guy, improve further to this road. You might be very interested about the what is our future plan, and how you can, I mean, definitely we also look how you can help us to or participate in this kind of road developments work. At the moment, we are conducting number of study works, because first, what if you want to develop our roads, we need to conduct the feasibility study, and in some cases to I mean go for detailed design. So uh, ADB has come forward and took the initiative to conduct this kind of a study, and some of them they have already taken into implementation stage. SASEC 1 and 2 is one of the example of those effort. So far, we have conducted 152 kilometer of road detailed feasibility, conducting feasibility study and detailed design uh, under what we call already finished. The next one is ongoing SASEC 2, and there we are conducting 590 kilometer sector road with a road transport connectivity improvement for 11-kilometer road under 23 sub projects. So at our right, you can see all list of those roads are there. A kind of network, improved network. After finishing of this, we'll possibly see an improved network for this country. Upcoming major projects are Rangpur Burimari Road is 128 kilometer. ADB is committed to fund this project. Silet Tamabil is about 56 kilometer. Again, AIIB is funding for that. Dhaka Silet Road is about 215 kilometer. ADB is funding for that. Chittagong Port Accessory, a small one, 11.5 kilometer is also funded. Under process of funding with ADB. Chittagong Cox's Bazar Expressway on PPP basis is about 136 kilometer. That will be funded by Japan with on G2G basis. Another is Dolatia Faridpur Borishal Road. It is about 156.7 kilometer. Again, fund commitment is from ADB. Hatikamrul Jeshore Navaran Bhumra, it's about 260 kilometer road. Hello, can you hear me?
Sir, Gigi.
Anga Benapol Road is another 135 kilometer road that will be funded by Indian Line of Credit. Kewatkali is one of the is a bridge project funded that will be funded by AIB. It is about a kilometer long bridge. Incidentally, one of the Korean companies is designing that one, Doha consulting firm. Rangpur Banglamanda is another road, is about 195 kilometers. Is also committed. Fund commitment is from ADB. Jaidapur Manusing Expressway on PPVC is about 87 kilometers. That so far, the Korean that is under G2G with Korea. So those are the in tabular form. The present where we present status is also shown. The projects I already mentioned before I have shown in map, but now here you can see in a tabular format.
Sir, presentation, sir, একটু ইন্টারাপ্ট করি। প্রেজেন্টেশনটা দেখা যাচ্ছে না, আপনার ছবি আসছে।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, তাহলে ওইটা বোধহয় আবার শেয়ার করতে হবে না
স্যার?
शेयर करेगा मैं और शेयर स्क्रीन যাচ্ছে
আসছে এবার এবার আসছে স্যার জি স্যার আপকামিং প্রজেক্টস যদি আবার একটু ইয়ে করেন এই স্লাইডটাই একটু হাইলাইট করেন
এটা এটা ছিল এটা
জি জি
এটা শুরু করতে হবে
জি
এটা ছিল আগেরটায়
আগেরটা এটা ছিল জি
এর পরের থেকে শুরু করতে হবে
এটাও হয়ে গেছে
এটা হয়ে গেছে
এটা হয়ে গেছে
না
জি
না এটা কি হয়েছিল পুরোটা
হ্যাঁ এতটুকু কিন্তু হয়ে গেছে রংপুর বুড়িমারি রোড 128 কিলোমিটার এডিবি এটা হয়ে গেছে হ্যাঁ এটাও
লাস্ট
বলেছেন
মানে
সিলেট তামাবিলও বলেছেন ঢাকা সিলেট রোডও বলেছেন মানে এই স্লাইডটা পুরোটাই বলেছেন স্যার
পুরোটাই আচ্ছা এটা হলে ঠিক আছে
এখান থেকে শুরু
এখন স্টার্ট করি
জি
okay those are this is in tabular format whatever what we have seen before in the map the locations here are some basic data like the project name length project cost and the status so if you are interested you can see the same thing here and this is the second page so that will give you a chance to see the choose or whichever one is you are interested in so a bit of detail into this one Silet Tamabil road is starts from a city called Silet in the north and Tamabil is in the border with India so so 56 kilometer of road
স্যার একটু ইন্টারাপ্ট করি আর 10 মিনিট আছে 10 মিনিটস
ওকে very quickly যেতে হবে না
জি
now sir শেষের মতে আছে okay so Silet Tamabil is about 56 kilometer and Dhaka Silet is 26 kilometer I mean the lane configuration is not very typical for whatever I mean road projects we are taking up at this moment 4 lane plus service lane on both sides in this Silet Tamabil we have 10 number of footbridges 20 number of bridges in detail the WeCare corridor is like this I mean number of sections you have to see because the readiness of the project preparation we have to divide into basically 1 2 3 4 segments so these are the detail probably we have a time constraint so I may have to go faster anyway this is World Bank funded World Bank will take care of 106 kilometer with 1.4 billion US dollar and AIB will take care of 154 kilometer with 900 million US dollar fund total length of corridor is 260 kilometers Dhaka Silet is this one probably very interested in I mean development project performa is almost finished so soon the project authority will start advanced procurement process there we have as usual 4 lane service lane 4 lane plus service lane either side flyover 8 numbers overpass 13 numbers rail overpass 5 numbers bridges 69 numbers underpass 10 numbers and ADB is the development partner Chittagong Port Access Road, as I said before, I mean, near it's very 11.5 kilometer road connecting from connecting the Chittagong Port to the nearest national highway, a shortcut route, and also it will connect the north. I mean, sorry, the southeastern part of the country. So it's an important road. Jaidapur Mymensingh, I mean, as you know, all G2G PPP with Korean government fund, and it's about $350 million. Length is 87 kilometers. Okay. These are some about some bridge we at GOB and Saudi fund. So the location is in the southern part of the Bangladesh. Another bridge also GOB and OFID. This is about $150 million. This is another bridge again in the southern part. As you know, the southern part is full of rivers, so we need to construct more bridges. Ongoing PPP projects of RSD, we have two projects already at the final stage, about the implementation stage, and we have a number of upcoming PPP projects. So we can discuss further if you are interested in our one-to-one meeting. Policy coverage, we have number of policies so far developed for our guideline or policy strategy. We are following that. Some of them are shown here. As we discussed before, the Dhaka bypass PPP projects already awarded, and soon they will start their implementation work. Rampur Amuria Demra, another project already awarded, and then they will start their work. Improvement of Chittagong Coxbazar is also another PPP project we mentioned before with JICA fund. And this we also have so far we developed a national expressway development program. Those are the shown in the map. So we have already constructed part of that. The others are in the queue. Upcoming projects is G2G Korea, already mentioned. Dhaka Jaidepur to Mymensingh, and is finalized. And another one, Tongi Kaliganj Gorashal Pasdona Road, is also under negotiation with Korean government. If you are interested in Jaidepur, in the map, it's shown Jaidepur to Mymensingh, and some basic, basic facts about those projects is here. So let's see how you. Definitely it will be direct Korean contribution to Bangladesh about this project. This is about some project under planning stage with Bangladesh Bridge Authority, one of our sister co-organization in our ministry. They normally look after long span bridges and special type of structures. So these are the name of some of that projects. So these are one of the tunnel they are planning to do in northern part of Bangladesh under a very wide river called Jamuna. Another bridge near Meghna Bridge is about 2.5 kilometers. So if you are interested, you can go into detail. This is about a middle ring road projects we are planning to develop. This is next is about a bridge on again in the southern side. It's about 2 kilometers span. So number 6 is another long span bridge, 2.5 kilometer. Another about 11 kilometer bridge connecting to connect an island called Kola with the mainland. It's about 11 kilometers. Second Padma is another milestone project we have to do after successful implementation of the first Padma bridge. That is about 5.5 kilometers. We have some future plans that is sort of research and development in collaboration with local and foreign institutions, upgradation of assessment system, modernization of construction and maintenance equipment, capacity strengthening of our road management organizations. Pavement technology advancement is also an important aspect we need to
Sir,
learn from you.
sir, one minute left. আমরা শেষ করে ফেলছি।
শেষ।